We will be having a tutorial about the operations in function that includes a sum, difference, product, quotient, and a composite function. To start with, we will have to do first the sum function. The given is f of x is equals to 3x plus 2, while the g of x is equals to 5x minus 3. The sum function, we have to use this formula, or the f of x plus the g of x. So, second step, we have to substitute their values, which is 3x plus 2 and 5x minus 3. Then we have to combine like terms. We have 3x and 5x would be 8x, and positive 2 and negative 3 would be negative 1, and that would be our sum function. The next one would be the difference function. The difference function is the same as the sum function. It also has a formula of the f of x minus the g of x. We have 3x plus 2 minus the quantity of 5x minus 3. We have to distribute this sign to this quantity. Bring down 3x plus 2 minus 5x plus 3. Then combine like terms. 3x and negative 5x would be negative 2x, while positive 2 and positive 3 would be positive 5. And that would be our difference function. The next one would be the product function. The product function has the formula of f of x multiplied by the g of x. It uses the FOIL method, so we have to substitute their values. 3x plus 2 multiplied by 5x minus 3. We have to use the FOIL method. We have 15x squared from the 3x and the 5x. We have negative 9x from the 3x and times the 3. Then 2 multiplied by 5x would be positive 10x. And 2 multiplied by negative 3 would be negative 6. We have to combine the like terms. Bring down 15x squared. Then negative 9x plus 10x would be positive x. Bring down 6, and that would be our product function. The next would be the quotient function. The quotient function is the formula of the f of x over the g of x. We have to substitute their value. 3x plus 2 and 5x minus 3. This is the final answer, since the numerator can't be factored out. And so, that is the final answer. The next one would be the composite function. We have f of g of x and f of g of x. So we have to substitute their values. 3x plus 2. That would be the f of x. The x of the f of x would be replaced as the value of the g of x. And it's written as 3 times 5x minus 3 plus 2. We have to do the distributive property. 3 times 5x would be 15x, while 3 times negative 3 would be negative 9, and bring down positive 2. Negative 9 plus positive 2 would be negative 7. Bring down 15x. So the answer is 15x minus negative 7. 15x. Okay. That would be the composite function. And that's all for the operations in function. Thank you for watching.